Hi, I'm Linda Hutchinson of L. Hutchinson Designs. Today I'm going to show you what a sandpaper block is used for in art. You can use it to sharpen pencils, charcoals, pastels like this, or you can use it to clean erasers. I'll show you a couple of examples. Now, a pencil like this you can sharpen in a pencil sharpener, but for certain techniques you may want to get a flat edge on one side or whatever. You can get a more specific kind of point on a sandpaper block. Also, with a charcoal or a pastel, you may want to get a certain point for a certain technique, or sometimes like this, your pastel may get dirty. You may want to just wear off the dirty part to get to the lighter color underneath. That's another option. Also, you can clean your erasers. Sometimes you erase a bunch of stuff and you get this dirty stuff on your eraser. Then you want to go in and erase something and it's just kind of smearing stuff around. So you can kind of clean it off on the sandpaper block. So now when you want to go erase something, you'll get a cleaner erasure. So those are just a few ways that you can use a sandpaper block. Also, you can use it in wood crafts and stuff like that to sand edges on things before you paint them. My name is Linda Hutchinson and thank you so much for joining me. Bye-bye.